Hi, Sarah and Nicky from Fine and Country. You join us today at Little Pinum, a unique holiday cottage oasis in the desirable area of Priors Marston, approximately 6 miles from Southam and equal distances from Leamington Spa, Rugby and Banbury.
Little Pinum sits on approximately 5 acres of land and includes 2 holiday cottages, a 3-acre paddock and planning permission for a 3rd holiday cottage.
So follow us, let's take a look inside. There is also North Farm Fishery, which consists of a 2.5-acre lake in a setting of mature grounds of 20 acres. It is a fully stocked coarse fishery and includes carp, tench, roach and bream. This really is a hidden gem for tranquil, relaxing fishing, away from the hustle and bustle of day-to-day living.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour of these amazing holiday cottages and the stunning views it offers. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact us with the information that will follow.